Yeah, I'm not gonna spend time there. These guys are just gonna delay me right now. Oh my! I already have the tag in my windscreen. Yeah, so there's a tag there, automatic. You will see. I'm not gonna stop like that. The way that guy stopped there right now. My own is just gonna open for me. See the gate is already closed. See that gate? Oh, it's gone up by itself. I don't wait, man. It's automatic. Get out of the way. The road owner is coming. I'm the road owner, man. This is a tunnel. There's a tunnel right here. The tunnel is here, man. This tunnel can take signals away. Woo! Tunnel, I'm out of it. Out of the tunnel, bro. Yeah. Why is that giving me light behind you? You can pass by. If you think I'm slowing down, you could go. Just pass me, man, and go. I'm not talking to the trailer guy. I'm talking to this car right here. Just flashing me light, thinking he wants me to move faster. I can't move more than this. You know the kind of load I have in my trailer. It's heavy, man. My load is heavy. I can't accelerate the way you are accelerating. Okay, I have to go from gear 1, gear 2, gear 3, gear 4, gear 5. So then we'll now skip to gear 8, 11, 10, then 12. Yeah, I will not be there. It's automatic. It only show 12. Gear 12. Boy, that is it. Alright. Follow me on my Trucking is Fun on Facebook. Go right now. Just go right now. Go to my Trucking is Fun page. Follow me. And share, like, and comment. Okay? Share, like, and comment. You will see things that will make you that will get, make you excited, make you happy. That is it. You see them there.